Hey guys, today's project calls for tightening up some legs on this coffee table that I have here. Hopefully this video helps you out, and if it does, give the video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Here on the channel, my name is Garrett and I like to refinish old pieces of furniture and flip them, such as this coffee table. Here I recently redid this coffee table. I painted it a really nice blue-gray color and stained the top. And all I have to do next is to tighten up the legs. So what I did was I flipped it on its side and I located where these bolts were at. I found that each one of the legs have two 12mm bolts that are holding the legs to the table. And I noticed that they were very, very loose. Obviously each table will be a little bit different, but most tables that I've seen either have bolts just like this or they have screws. So if they have screws, you're going to want to use a Phillips head screwdriver, or if you have bolts just like mine, you can go ahead and grab yourself a socket set and some sort of socket wrench. What I have right here is a really nice little socket set that I got from Walmart for I believe $8. It's just a nice little handy thing to keep around the house, just to tighten up small things just such as this table really. But here I have my little electric ratchet and then my 12mm socket, and I'm just going around the table and tightening up all of those bolts. And we're gonna flip it on its side and see how sturdy it is now. Voila! Got the table all sturdy, as sturdy as can be, and now it is ready to be listed up on the Facebook Marketplace. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, subscribe to the channel and go on over and check out the other projects that I have on there. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Catch you in the next one. Take care.